Hello everyone and welcome to Gardening with Ben for a brand new episode today down here on the allotment. And today's episode is we're just going to give you another tour of our allotment in June, as obviously things are starting to grow in that now. So we're going to keep doing these regular tours so you can see how well they're getting on. If you're not following us or subscribed to us, give us a follow and then you'll get notified when new videos come up. So let's have a tour around our allotment today. So we're down here on the allotment today and hopefully the sound is a lot better as we've got a microphone on now. So fingers crossed it will sound better quality for you. So let's have a look and see what's growing and what's not growing. We'll start off at the front of our allotment, and as you can see, all the flowers that we're starting to plant are starting to come out. Well, we've got some fantastic flowers growing. There's hydrangeas growing, absolutely beautiful. Hopefully we're going to get some flowers on this soon. This will be the first year that it's actually flowered, so I'm looking forward to seeing that out in colour. We've also got lots of bedding plants down here, what we planted the other week. They're surviving, they're taking, which is a good sign. But yeah, we've got some begonias out, we've got some marigolds, and we've got fuchsias as well. Hopefully they'll grow over time and fill the space in. And we've got some lupins in there as well. And further down we've got a lupin what's about to come out, so let's go and have a look. At the front of my plot, look at this rose what's come out. Absolutely gorgeous looking at that. That one's just died off, so we have to remember to deadhead them so that they keep flowering. But yeah, we've got us climbing roses again, just keep deadheading them. But look at these, absolutely stunning, looking gorgeous, and they're growing really well. We need to keep fastening them up so that we can train them up this trellis what we've got growing. We've got raspberries coming, look at them, they'll be nice when they come out. And again, we've got absolutely loads of bedding down this side bit, which is looking stunning. We weeded it all the other week, so you can actually see the flowers now because it was taking over. We've got lots of gladiolus coming in here in this raised bed. Got some geraniums in there. We've got more flowers growing. As you can see, the fuchsias have taken. These fuchsias, I planted them a bit before the other ones on the front. But yeah, they're all coming along fine. And hopefully them roses will come out soon. Yeah, look at the bumblebee. Pollinating, doing our work for us, producing the fruit. We've got this plum tree. Can we see any plum? It's dying off. That's bizarre. Don't know why it's dying off. I'll have to keep an eye on that. Something's obviously upset it. But yeah, we're going to have to keep an eye on that. Hopefully we'll get some plums on it. We did have some on it. Ah, there we are. We've got plums there. Plums growing. But yeah, if anyone knows about the plum tree, why it's dying off, let me know. It shouldn't be dying off. We've got a cooking apple tree. Have we got any cooking apples? Yes, we have. Look at them. Some cooking apples growing. They'll be nice in the crumble. Let's have a look down here. We've got us pear trees. We've got some pears growing on. Plenty of pears dotted all around. So hopefully we'll have some nice pears this year. And then this is our eating apple tree. As you can see, we've got lots of apples coming. We're going to have lots of eating apples this year. Fingers crossed. There's rhubarb's doing well as well. Some of it needs watering. As you know, rhubarb likes to drink a lot of water. But yeah, lots of apples coming. I have to watch out because the squirrel likes to eat them. The squirrel ate a lot of them last year, so we've got to keep an eye on them. We might put some netting over it. And then this is another eating apple tree, which we've got some on there, hiding away. This one's a golden delicious one, this one. Wow, I've just noticed this, look at this. Amongst the bindweed. Look at them. Absolutely stunning. They look gorgeous. We need to clear this area, get them out on show. And this is another flower bed area that I've put lots of bedding in. We've not put too much in, we've just put enough in. As you can see, the alliums are dying off and going to seed now. But we don't mind if they go to seed, because then we'll have loads of alliums growing around here. That's what we want, because the bees absolutely love them and they look fantastic when they've dried out. But yeah, we need to get that bindweed out, growing everywhere. Then in the polytunnel, we've got some pepper plants growing. They seem to be growing well, keeping them watered. Look at that. That's my aubergine plant. The slugs have been devouring that. So we're going to have to find where that slug's hiding and get rid of it. And then here, we've got some cucumber plants growing as well. They're looking nice and healthy and growing well. We'll need to support them soon and put them up some netting so that they can climb up them. In this area, it doesn't look impressive, but let me show you what we've got. We've got some ornamental poppies growing. So hopefully we're going to get some nice big poppy heads on them. So hopefully they'll take and they'll get growing. And we've got some sunflowers as well growing. So let's have a look at some of the seeds that we've got growing. What I started the other week, we've got as lettuce. That's growing well. Like I say, it's good to keep lettuce growing so that you've got a continuous crop growing. Last week we didn't have any of this growing, but our dwarf beans are coming through, so hopefully we'll get a late crop again. We've got some peas growing, so once they're big enough we'll get them all outside and get them growing. We've got some sweet William, which I need to get that out, to be honest. We've got some more sweet corn growing, as you can never have enough sweet corn. We've got beetroot. We've got some more cucumbers growing, because I didn't think that I'd got enough plants, so hopefully we'll have enough cucumber plants now. We've got some cauliflower. We've got some spinach. What's this? We've got some turnips. More turnips. Lots of turnips. And some more beetroot. So back outside now, and we've got our potatoes growing. They're doing really well. We need to give them a water. That's the thing with growing in boxes, you have to keep them watered well so that they keep growing. These are our Logan berries. Look how many berries we've got on here. They should start ripening soon. So hopefully we'll be having some nice Logan berries in as crumbles. Now look at this. Strawberries. Absolutely love strawberries. So yeah, we're going to be picking that one later. Yes, it's just one, but we'll just be picking it. Yeah, there's a couple hiding. But hopefully we'll start getting more strawberries off as the days come on. We've got this blueberry. We've netted that over to stop anything from eating them. Because we've got some blueberries hiding just there. And something ate all my gooseberries, so I netted them over to protect them. Got some more strawberry plants. Not many strawberries on them ones, so I didn't net them ones over. We've got this grapevine growing. I don't know if we're going to get any grapes this year. But again, bindweed growing all around it, so we need to take that off. Yeah, something ate all those gooseberries, so we should have netted that earlier, so we'll remember that for next year. We've got some more strawberries. There's a lot more strawberry plants around here, so I'll put some netting over them to protect them so that we don't lose them, and hopefully get some more strawberries growing. But yeah, can't believe something ate all my gooseberries. Got raspberries all the way down the side of the plot, so hopefully we'll have a lot of raspberries. This is a newer plum tree, but we've not got any plums on that this year. We've only had that in a couple of years. So hopefully in a couple of years' time we'll get some decent plums on them. We've got another grapevine. We've got more loganberries. Look at this. It's getting weighed down with how many's on it. Look at them all. Absolutely loads of loganberries. Then look at that climbing rose as well. Absolutely fantastic. I did have an arch here, but it broke. So I might need to invest in another arch and get that growing back over the entranceway. We've got climbing blackberries down the side. These are thornless, so you don't get prickled to death when you're picking them, which is fantastic. We've got us garlic. Now look at us garlic. We've got some good garlic growing there. That'll be ready for harvesting soon. So yeah, hopefully get some decent garlic from that. That's all the way from the Isle of Wight, that. My dad and mum brought them back from the Isle of Wight for me to plant. We've got some lettuce. We might pick his first lettuce this week. As you can see, we've got some good ones growing. You have to be careful because you can leave them and they go to seed pretty fast. So we need to get some lettuce picked. We've got a bit of beetroot dotted around. Some of it got 8, so we've not got as many as we need, but that's why we've grown some more. Behind here we've got us peas growing. Look there, look, we can see flowers on them. I might take the netting off them now that they're strong enough to grow. But yeah, we've got lots and lots of peas growing behind here. We've got plenty of beans growing. Dwarf beans, yes. I've obviously got more growing in the shed, but these ones will be producing first before the ones in the shed. We've got runner beans climbing up the sides of the plot. We've got some sweet corn in, but like I said, I have planted some more because not all of it grew. So we've got some sweet corn plants in. They seem to be doing all right. We've got some beetroot plants dotted around. Some didn't take, but yeah, we've got lots more beetroot plants to plant out. Here we've got pumpkin plants, and as you can see, they're starting to get little pumpkins on them, so I need to keep an eye on them. We've got lots more sunflowers. We've got loads of pumpkins. You can see another one growing there. And again, lots more beans, climbing beans down the middle. We need to support them and get some netting up for them. Lots and lots of sunflowers. I do love my sunflowers, but look at them all. Absolutely fantastic. We've got tomato plants outside as well, growing. Look at that rose as well growing there. Queen of Bermuda, I believe that one is. And then we've got some more pumpkin plants growing. And some more beans. Some of them are getting flowers on. These red ones. But yeah, hopefully we'll be getting some runner beans soon. Growing. Have a look up here. Got lots of beans. Lots and lots of beans growing everywhere. I need to weed this bed. That's my job for tomorrow because it's just starting to rain. We've got courgettes growing. These are courgettes. We've tried filling some gaps with some courgette plants. So that has been our tour of the allotment today. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Please do give it a follow, this channel. Feel free to leave a comment as well, as it helps the algorithm. And check out my podcast as well on Spotify, Apple, Amazon. Just search for Gardening with Ben and you will find all the podcasts. And I've got lots and lots of podcasts on there for you to listen to if you hear the peacock in the background. But yeah, thank you for listening. Until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.